In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug WooCommerce in just 5 minutes. Debugging is a critical step in ensuring your online store runs smoothly, and today I'll guide you through a simple process to help you do just that with WooCommerce, the popular e-commerce platform for WordPress. First up, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Think of your dashboard as the command center for your website. It's where you'll navigate to make any changes or updates to your site, including debugging WooCommerce. So go ahead and log into your WordPress site to get started. Once you're in, you'll want to find the WooCommerce option on your dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side. Clicking on WooCommerce will take you closer to solving any issues you might have with your online store. Remember, WooCommerce is designed to integrate seamlessly with WordPress, providing users with an efficient and user-friendly experience. Next, within the WooCommerce options, locate and click on Settings. The settings section of WooCommerce is where you can configure the nuts and bolts of your online store, from payments and shipping to accounts and emails. It's also where you'll find the tools to debug your store. Now, let's move towards debugging by clicking on Shipping within the WooCommerce settings. Shipping settings are vital because they directly affect how your products reach your customers. By ensuring these settings are accurately configured, you're taking a step towards a smoother operation for your store. Within the shipping options, you'll see an option labeled Shipping Settings. This is where you can manage and tweak various aspects of WooCommerce's shipping functionalities, an area that is often a source of issues for store owners. It's essential to understand these settings well because they can greatly impact your store's efficiency and your customers' satisfaction. Now here comes the crucial part for troubleshooting, enabling the debug mode. There will be an option to enable debug mode within the shipping settings. Debug mode is like turning on a flashlight in a dark room. It helps you see the issues hidden beneath the surface by highlighting errors and issues in real time. Enabling this mode can be incredibly helpful for diagnosing and understanding what's going wrong behind the scenes. After enabling the debug mode, don't forget to click on Save Changes. It might seem like a small step, but it's essential. Saving your changes ensures that the debug mode is active and that any adjustments you've made to your settings are applied. After saving, your store will be in debug mode and you'll start seeing messages that can help diagnose issues. And that's it. You've now equipped yourself with a basic but powerful tool to troubleshoot and debug your WooCommerce store. Debugging is a process of elimination and understanding. Sometimes the issues are straightforward, such as incorrect settings or conflicts with other plugins. Other times they might be more complex, requiring a deeper dive into your store's setup. By enabling the debug mode, you have taken a significant step towards identifying and resolving any issues that might be affecting your WooCommerce store. Remember, the goal is to provide a seamless and pleasant shopping experience for your customers, and debugging is a vital part of achieving that. Thank you for joining me today to learn about debugging WooCommerce. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to ensuring your online store runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Stay curious, dive deep into understanding your website's workings, and never hesitate to utilize tools like the debug mode to keep your WooCommerce store in top shape. Happy debugging!